Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how you can do Pinterest affiliate marketing by spying your competitors and outranking your competitors so you can start getting targeted free traffic for Digistore24 affiliate marketing. And not just Digistore24, also ClickBank, ShareASale, Amazon, JVZoo, Warrior Plus or any other affiliate network. And also, tool that I'm going to show you today is 100% free. So make sure to watch this video very carefully. With that being said, let's start. Okay guys, so first thing we need to do, we need to choose our niche and we need to find good keywords. So for that, I will come here on Google and here in search bar, let's just say that I'm in workout niche. So here I will type something like lower back exercise. And when I press enter here you can see Google is suggesting me most searched terms related to lower back exercise. So for example, when I add another letter, let's just say for example F. Here you can see lower back exercise for pain, for beginners, for seniors. Now for seniors, that actually looks like a good keyword. So let me just choose here seniors and I will copy this. So now I need to go on Ahrefs free keyword generator. And when I paste that here you can see I chose United States. And when I press here enter, here you will see that in United States, keyword difficulty is 26, which means we can actually rank our article targeting this keyword here in first page on Google. And here you can see 350 people is searching this every month in United States. But when we add Canada, United Kingdom, Australia, New Zealand and other countries around the world, I'm guessing that more than 5,000 people is searching this term here every month on Google. So next thing we need to do, we actually need to write an article. Now for that you can simply go on ChatGPT and here you need to choose human written 100% unique SEO optimized article. Choose this and then here you need to choose the language. I will stick with the English and then here I need to say something like give me clickbait title and then I need to add this keyword here. Okay, I just need to say for this keyword and now press enter and now ChatGPT will give me title, clickbait title and also will write me an article targeting this keyword here, lower back exercise for seniors. Now what you need to do next, you need to publish this article on your blog or on vocal.media. Now I will not show you how to do that because I already showed you many times how to do that, so I don't want to show you same thing in every video. But this is really important. You must add your Digistore24 affiliate link in this article because this is Digistore24 affiliate marketing video, right? So don't forget to add your affiliate link. And also because this is a Pinterest affiliate marketing video, what we need to do next, we need to make a pin. So for that I will simply go on Canva and you can register for a free account. And here you can see I already made a pin. Like I said, I already showed you many times how to make these pins in Canva, so I don't want to show you same thing in every video. Here you can see I added this image now. You can create image just like this in Midjourney totally free. You don't have to pay anything. And here you need to add a catchy title. Again, same thing. You can simply go here on ChatGPT and ask it to give you a short, simple clickbait title for your pin. Okay, here you can see this is not short, but it is clickbait. Your title should be shorter and you need to choose a different font to be more readable, okay? That is really important. And all you have to do after this, just click here on share and then click here on download. Choose here PNG or JPEG and then click here on download and download this to your desktop. Now, next thing we need to do, we actually need to go on Pinterest. And this is one of my Pinterest accounts and here you can see these things here, okay, these little icons here. Now these icons, they are actually telling me how many likes, how many saves, how many comments each of these posts is actually getting. When it was made, when this post was made, this post here was made a month ago. Okay, so this gives me really important informations. And actually these things here, it is actually a free Google Chrome extension called Pinterest.1, as you can see here, and here you can see install Google Chrome extension. It is 100% free, at least for now. And this gives me, like I said, really important informations. Now, what we need to do next, we need to upload our pin. Now, this is really important. Just click here on create and then create pin. And this is really important because we need to optimize our pin. Many people fail to do that. You must optimize your pin. So first thing you need to do, you need to click here and you need to upload your pin. So let me just find my pin. This is my pin. Now, what you need to do next, you need to choose a right board. Your board should contain your main keyword. In this case, it could be back workout or lower back workout, something like that. Your name of your board should contain your main keyword. That is important. Also here in the title, you need to add your main keyword. So for example, I can go back here and I can simply copy this title here for my article. Okay, Control C, go back here on Pinterest and I can paste that here. Okay, something's wrong. For some reason this doesn't work properly. With your computer it will work properly. Okay, and then here in the description, same thing, you need to add your main keyword. That is really important. And again, you can simply come back here on ChatGPT and you need to tell it to create your description for your pin containing your main keyword. So for this purpose, let me just, okay, I can actually copy this. Okay, Control C, go back on Pinterest and I can paste that here. Okay, and here you can see add a destination link. Now if you use WordPress, Blogger, or if you publish your article on vocal.media, then your link to your article will also contain your main keyword. In this case, it would be lower back exercise for seniors. And that is why it is really important to optimize your pin. Pinterest will then see that Pinterest actually can read text on your images. So they will see that your text on your image contain your main keyword. Then name of your board also contain your main keyword. Title and description and the link, destination link, also contain your main keyword. And that means that this post here, this pin here is 100% about lower back exercise. And pin will know, okay, this is about that topic 100%. Okay, that is really important. So all you have to do now is just click here on save and you will save this pin. Okay, and this is how my pin actually looks. As you can see here, okay, this is how it looks. As you can see, I only have one save and that is my own save. So what we need to do next, when we actually go here and when we search lower back exercise, here I can see my competitors and here I can see information for each of their posts, and these are top posts, and I can see how many likes, how many saves, how many comments each of these posts actually got, so I know what I need to do in order to rank my pin in these top posts. Here you can see this pin here, for example, 372 likes, 10 saves, no comments. It was posted 8 months ago. But when you actually check out this pin here, you can see that this pin has only 303 likes, no shares, no saves, no comments. But this pin here is optimized. And this pin here, for example, it is not optimized. There is no title, there is no description, there is nothing. And that is why optimization of your pin is really important. You must optimize your pins. So like I said, here I can see how many likes I need, how many saves I need. So what I need to do, I actually need to go on a website called Add Me Fast. And here on the left side, here you can see you can actually register for a free account, and here on the left side you can retweet Twitter tweets in order to earn free credits. You can also watch YouTube videos to earn free credits. You can share Facebook posts to earn free credits, and so on and so on. And after you earn free credits, what you need to do, you need to click here on Add Site Link. And here you need to choose what you actually wish to do. So I will click here and I need to find Pinterest. Okay, so let me find, okay, Pinterest saves. For example, let's just say I need Pinterest saves. Here you can choose worldwide or you can choose a specific country. I will leave it as a worldwide. Here you need to add a title, so simply go back here on Pinterest and you can use your own title of your pin. And then just go back here, pin ID. Now that is really important. So let me just open one of these pins. So let's just say, for example, I will open this pin here, okay? And this number here, okay? This is the pin ID. You need to copy just this number here, not entire link, just this number here. Go back here on Add Me Fast and paste that here, okay? Here, how many clicks? Just leave it empty. Daily clicks, leave it empty. Here you can see cost per click, how many credits you wish to give every person who actually saves, in this case, each of your pins. You can choose 25, you can choose 50. Let's just say, for example, 50. And all you have to do after that, just click here on save and you will save this and your campaign will start and you will start getting saves. In this case, you can also give credits for likes. And like I said, in order to rank on first positions in these top positions, you need at least 300 likes and you need at least 5 saves. And you can add 1, 2, 3, 5 comments. You can actually tell your friends, family and friends to give you a comments. They probably already have Pinterest account. And like I said, if you optimize your pin will rank in top position if you actually get at least 300 saves and 300 likes, okay? And like I said, you can use Add Me Fast to get those likes and saves totally free, and you will rank in top position and you will start getting targeted free traffic from Pinterest, and you can start making pins like this every day and exchange credits for saves and everything. And like I said, this extension here, Pinterest one, will tell you exactly what you need to do in order to rank in top positions on Pinterest for each of these keywords. That is why this extension, Google Chrome extension, free extension, is really, really good and you need to use it, guys. And like I said, this is a simple way to get targeted free traffic for Digistore24 affiliate marketing and also for Pinterest affiliate marketing as a beginner. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.